In this video, we're going to dive into the filing fees you'll encounter when forming or maintaining a California corporation. If you've been wondering about the costs or how to avoid penalties, stay tuned because these are crucial details for any entrepreneur in the state. This video is brought to you by Agent CRM, the ultimate all-in-one software designed for agents and their teams. If you're looking to supercharge your business, Agent CRM has got you covered. From AI-powered schedule bot that helps you fill your calendar effortlessly to comprehensive marketing tools like unlimited funnels, email marketing, and ringless voicemail. Agent CRM is packed with features to streamline operations. With Agent CRM, you get access to powerful automated workflows, preloaded marketing campaigns, and world-class support. Plus, you can start with a free 14-day trial, no sign-up fee, and zero cost to get started. Join over 10,000 satisfied users who have transformed their business with Agent CRM. Head over to the link below or scan the QR code to start your free trial today and take your business to the next level. Hey there, my name is Danex Nguyen, and I'm here to help you navigate the legal side of your business as your trusted business attorney in California. Starting a corporation in California sounds exciting until you start adding up all the fees between the filing costs, franchise tax, and penalties for missed deadlines. Things can get expensive really fast. But don't worry, I'm going to help you navigate these fees so you can avoid any surprises and keep your business running smoothly without breaking the bank. So let's get right into it. Forming a corporation in California comes with some costs. The first one, the Articles of Incorporation filing fee. As the date of this video, to officially register your business with the state, you'll pay $100 when you submit this document to the Secretary of State. But don't think that's the end of it. Within 90 days of forming your corporation, you also need to file a statement of information, and that will run you another $25. This form provides basic information about your corporation, like the names of your officers and your business address. Now here's where it gets a bit trickier. California has what's called a California franchise tax. Now, no matter how well your business is doing or poorly, you're required to pay a minimum annual franchise tax of $800. This is due starting in the second year of your business and every year after that. And don't forget about ongoing maintenance. Every year you need to file another statement of information to keep your corporation in good standing. If you miss this, you could face penalties or even risk suspension of your corporation. So to recap, when you form a corporation in California, you're looking at initial $100 filing fee, $25 for your statement of information, and $800 annual franchise tax every year after the first year. Now, keeping up with these filings is essential to avoid unnecessary fines that can add up very quickly. Thanks for tuning in for legal tips for smart entrepreneurs. Now, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Leave your questions and comments below. I'm always here to help you navigate the legal side of your business with ease.